Hi, I'm Subramaniam, landscape designer and faculty of landscape architecture based in Kochi, Kerala, India. When dealing with my students in the studio of landscape architecture, it, it was noted that the students are finding it very difficult to make a plan selection depending on their criteria. Suppose a person require a plan which is having a certain height and certain canopy and having a specific color of flower, then they know only the traits they are looking for, but they don't know the exact plant which has to be selected for the particular area. In order to make an end to this problem, I have recently developed a application called Sourcecaper.com. Sourcecaper.com has a very large database that almost covers a lot of tropical plants and a few temperate as well as Mediterranean plants. Especially when you are planning for a project in the tropical area, you need to just open the application and enter the traits you are looking for. The application will find out a list of plants that matches your criteria, and from the list that matches your criteria, you can select the plant you are looking for. This is a very simple process. Only thing is you need to get a little bit acclimatized to the application. Once you have done this, it is very easier that you get the complete character of the plant, or the database contain almost 37 parameters of a single plant, whether they can be planted in a certain place or in a certain climate or in a certain environment, or even whether you can plant it indoors or outdoors or in a shady area or a sunny area. It all will be covered in the database data. So you become a professional for selection of plants without knowing much about botany. Otherwise, it is very difficult for an architect or an architecture student to locate a plant, because there are over 4.5 lakhs of plants, and making a selection depending on their parameters, it's very difficult, because one has to dedicate few years to get acclimatized to the large number of plants in the universe. So this condition has been made easier, and now you can browse the different applications that is possible with the sourcecaper.com.